Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video, I've installed canards on my RS200. Before we get into the video guys, I'm so close to 3k subscribers, so please like, share, subscribe, share the video even, and comments help, liking the video helps, so please do all of that good stuff. Let's get into the video. So yes, I installed canards on my RS200, and yes, there is a difference between canards and winglets, especially when you consider what it does aerodynamically. Winglets do a certain thing, canards do a certain things on aircraft, so it cannot be the same thing on motorcycles, right? But generally, yes, people in the motorcycle space call it winglets, but it would be more right to call it canards. So we'll get into that, and then we'll get into some shots of the RS200, because there are not a lot of RS200s with winglets. The canards, they have that small thing in front underneath the headlights, but that's not exactly functional. So let's get into this. So really quick aerodynamic lesson. When an aircraft is going down the runway, the air flowing underneath the wing is slower and has more resistance than the air flowing on top of the wing, which allows the aircraft to on the front of the aircraft and it moves. So when it moves down, it pushes the nose of the aircraft down. When it moves up, it pushes the nose of the aircraft up. So how does it affect you? You're riding a bike, you're driving a car, how does it affect you? When you're driving a car or you're riding a motorcycle at high speeds, this is at high speeds, the air has an effect on the car, right? And you don't want your car or bike to just take off. So basically you put these wingtip devices or wing devices or aerodynamic devices to push your car or bike on the road. That's basically what they are. Just aerodynamic voodoo. Black magic.
Winning this time.
So this is how I've installed the canard. It's on the outer portion of the RS200 and it fixes right here. It's a good flat portion to fix it. It's very important to give the canard some sort of angle. So you can see this is straight and this is slightly angled. So it gives it a certain amount of downforce. That's what it's for. So I'll show you what it looks like from the rider's seat. So I'll sit onto the bike. This is what it looks like. And your legs also will not interfere with it. So the legs are here. So that's what it looks like. So what do canards do for motorcycles? So when you accelerate on a motorcycle, when you're accelerating hard from standstill or even while you're in motion, the front tends to come on top. Now what canards do is they sit on the front of the bike at approximately like this of an angle if this is the bike. And as you're accelerating, it takes the air, tries to angle the air in such a way that it produces more downforce and it pushes your front wheel into the tarmac, which gives you better acceleration, better straight line speed, and allows you to turn, because to turn you need the front wheel, right? You just can't turn with the back wheel. The back wheel is only giving you power on a motorcycle. So it helps you turn, it helps you keep the front wheel on the ground. So that's basically the job of a canard on a motorcycle. So should you be installing aerodynamic devices on every single vehicle? No, you can't install it on an Activa or a Scooty Pep Plus, because you need a certain speed to be above a certain speed for that to be effective. So for vehicles it's like 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. Above that you will see an aerodynamic difference. Below that it's just with drag, and you know what drag does. I'll explain that in another video what drag does. Just FYI, a disclaimer, I have put these canards on my bike for aesthetic purposes. I don't think they have any aerodynamic advantage because they're just too small and the bike's too big. So I don't think they have any aerodynamic advantage, but I just put it for aesthetic purposes. I mean, like, why not? It's not spoiling any other function of the bike, so it's fine. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and like, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers. You'll need to push me, guys. Thanks for watching.